Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and I like to film lifestyle vlogs. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support my channel by clicking subscribe. I'm heading out to go get some Starbucks. I got a gift card for my birthday, so why not put it to use? Go get maybe a bagel and then have some breakfast when I come back. So today's gonna be another awesome productive vlog. So I hope that you guys find motivation in today's vlog to increase your productivity, because that is always important to do. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi, could I please order one grande oat milk brown sugar ice shaken espresso? I'm looking at it right now, so it's only links. Do you have an attachment to the email? So then let me print this out and it should be there like in an hour.
Thank you so much, sis.
My sister needs some help, so I am actually heading over to that side of town and I'm gonna go pick up my medication, and then I'm gonna stop by with her to help her out with her things that she's got going on. And then I plan to go to Trader Joe's later today because I have a gift card. I know, super random, like who has a gift card to Trader Joe's? I do, and it's actually from last year's birthday. So I kind of just don't want to carry that gift card around into my new year. So I'm gonna get going now. So I just finished with Trader Joe's. Now I'm gonna go over to go see my sister and help her with her stuff, and then I'll give you guys a haul when I get there. Okay, so I'm now at my mom's house because this is where my sister's at currently. And I'm gonna give you guys a Trader Joe's haul. Like I said, I had a gift card that I had to use, so I went ahead and used that up. First thing first, I got some chamomile flowers because I've been wanting some for a very long time. They look so cute. A couple of yellow peaches, these are organic. A couple of bananas, a vegan lentil soup, and I've heard that this lentil soup is super good. And then I also heard about this vegan brown sugar oat creamer. As you guys know, that my favorite Starbucks drink is the brown sugar ice shaken espresso. So apparently this brown sugar is super popular. It was only $1.99, which is super cheap in my opinion. I picked up a kombucha. This is my favorite brand. It's so yummy, so I really like it. I picked up a salad, harvest salad with grilled chicken, and it has a boiled egg. And it's super yummy and fresh, and maybe we can eat this later today, or I might share it with my sister or my mom or my husband, because I also have a second one. And this is actually a Mexicali salad with chili lime chicken. So it's essentially mixed greens, corn, peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, pepitas, and Asiago cheese with a jalapeno Caesar dressing. It is super delicious. I'm not exaggerating. These two salads are my favorite whenever I go to Trader Joe's. So if you guys are ever lost when it comes to picking out a salad at Trader Joe's, I recommend either or. And that is all I got. So super little mini haul because it was a gift card. So I just wanted to make sure that I grabbed fun items that I usually don't splurge on when we go grocery shopping. So that is the haul, and now I'm gonna move on with helping my sister with her shenanigans. So I finished helping my sister with her things that she needed help in. So now I'm gonna go back home and get started on the healthy vegan meal prep, because I don't want to lose sunlight, because the sunlight gives me awesome lighting for filming, and I want to share it with you guys. I made it back home and it is so hot. My AC in my car does not work right now. I need to get that fixed. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these flowers all ready to go because this vase is running low on water. These flowers were gifted to me by my mom for my birthday, And then these are the ones that I picked up at Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna mix them together. I don't know how cute that's gonna look, but it's gonna have to work. So I'm gonna do that before I get started on meal prep. Meal prepping, and I made myself a cup of chai tea, and I'm now here sitting down so that I can give you guys some daily habits to help you reduce any stress that you may be experiencing right now. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not a health medical professional. I am just a regular person about to share what works for me, and hopefully you guys can take some of these tips and try them out on your own. Whenever I start noticing that I'm feeling stressed out, I definitely like to keep it as simple as having a delicious, healthy meal or snack will help decrease that stress because it brings you back to the present. So as you're eating, you're tasting the food and you're thinking about how delicious your snack or your meal is, and that's bringing you back to the present. My other tip is to meditate for 5 minutes, especially in the morning. If you can make the room to do that in the morning. I know it is very, very hard, especially if you guys have an early work shift, but even if you meditate before you go into the office or before anything that gets you out of your house, 5 minutes is all it takes. Another tip that I do see myself doing whenever I feel like I'm super stressed out and I've had like a long day and I just don't feel well, then I will go out for a walk out in nature, and that could be outside in your neighborhood or that could be in your local park. Just get outside. It doesn't hurt to have a warm cup of tea or a warm cup of coffee, a warm cup of chocolate. It doesn't have to be winter to have hot chocolate, in my opinion, and especially if you just curl up and watch your favorite TV show for 20 minutes, which brings me to my next habit. If you have a favorite TV show, don't feel like it's a bad thing, a negative thing to sit back on your couch and watch your favorite show, even if it's one episode or just 20 minutes into a movie. Anything to help transport your mind into this show and into your cup of warm drink. And my last simple tip to help reduce stress, it is to light up a candle. As y'all have noticed in my videos, I'm always lighting up a candle. Definitely lighting up a candle any time of the day, as long as you're home, is very soothing to the soul. It does bring you back to the present, and it's just so slow and flickery and warm and cozy, and it really just helps reduce the stress. I hope that these daily habits or daily tips to help reduce your stress can help you out in some sort. They're the ones that I've been trying out and they've really been helping me, and I hope that it definitely helps other people as well. I'm gonna try the Trader Joe's soup to see if it tastes good, if the hype is truly the hype. That tastes really good. Let me have a taste of the salad. I'm super happy with my dinner right now. Ugh. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Now I'm gonna get ready to plan out June, because June is right around the corner. It's literally next week, and I can't believe how quickly the month went by. And you guys may have noticed that I moved around some things because my desk used to be in our bedroom. Not no more. We brought it downstairs, and I actually was gifted a really adorable fiddle leaf tree for my birthday by my mother-in-law, and here is the tree. I think you guys have already seen it, but he's right here, and I've named this little guy Fiddles, and he's a happy camper right here. Initially, I put him across the way over there, but after doing some research, it turns out that you need to have fiddle leaf trees exposed to sunlight. If you guys have any tips on how to take care of Mr. Fiddles, please let me know. But yeah, so because of the tree, I thought maybe I could bring my desk down here because I had been wanting to do that, and I want to put floating shelves up over here. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Brenda Edith here, signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.